So guys, first method, come to gigabyte.com. You can see here this is officially website, so if you want to any driver, okay, then in the right side you can see search button, just click. After that type your model number, Z890I AORUS Ultra. After that click to search. Then click to product. Then click to then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. Suppose I am using Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, so no worry, your installations process or 100% same Windows 10 and 11. Okay, select my operating system and I can see first audio driver, and click to download. Now you can see here it is downloading. Start, wait few seconds to complete. Then click to setup, double click, then click to yes. So it is completed, then close it.